Hello, I'm Adi, one of the co-founders of GreenDeck. We help retailers with price optimization and monitoring their competitors using artificial intelligence. Did you know that 70% shoppers compare prices online before they make a purchase? Now, pricing online can be really tricky. If you price too high, your competitors might undercut you and you're left with unsold inventory. And if you price too low, you end up with lower margins and lose out on potential revenue. So this is where GreenDeck comes in. We help you make better pricing decisions faster. How do we do this? So we have created some technology using image recognition and text processing, which is able to classify each product and understand key attributes such as its size, color, and all the technical specifications. Now what we do is we take all your products at MediaMarkt and compare the exact same product being sold by all your competitors. So this gives you a bird's eye view, just like your shoppers are looking at you and looking at the retail landscape right now. Also, in case the exact same product is not visible, we show you the similar products as well. The best part is there is absolutely no IT integration required to get started. So we show you daily prices of all your competitors' products. We help you benchmark yourself against your competitors, show you pricing history at an SKU level, and you're able to drill down the catalog of your competitors and look at all the new products that are coming in. And the objective is to help you with more pricing opportunities, give you faster speed to information, and help you save a lot of labor time looking for prices manually. We are working with 11 customers across 8 different countries, which includes retailers in fashion, supermarkets, groceries, sports retail, and even bedding and mattresses as well. Our business model is very simple. We charge a monthly fee based on the number of competitors you're monitoring and the number of countries. So there's no limit on the number of users and no additional fees for training and onboarding. We have raised £500,000 from UK-based investors, and Forbes named us as one of 4 startups set to trail a blaze in 2020. And we were also winners of the Retail Tech Startup of the Year award as well. We're a young and passionate team of 35 members, and the co-founders have previously started another digital SaaS company in healthcare, which was acquired in 1 year of operation as well. Um, for collaboration, we'd love to start with say 2 competitors of MediaMarkt, one country which might be Turkey, and have a 3 month duration wherein we constantly take feedback from the users and customize our product so that it perfectly suits your needs. And of course, there would be no limit on the number of users. We believe we're a great fit, and there's a great opportunity for both of us to work together. And we would love to have a pilot to explore this opportunity. Thank you so much.